Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a swing. A swing hangs from some kind of structure. Sometimes it hangs from the branch of a tree, but oftentimes it hangs from a frame that's made of metal or wood. Let's start with the top of the frame, so you just need to draw a line near the top of your page, straight across. If you're drawing a single swing, this doesn't need to be too long. But if you want to have 2 swings, or 3, or even 4 swings on your frame, you'll need to make this line longer. Let's start with 1 swing. We're going to turn this line into a line down rectangle, so you can colour it later. So add a short line on the end, another long line, and a short line. Next we're going to draw the legs of the swing frame. We need to do some measuring for this. So if this is the length of the top of the frame, we need to make the legs a little bit wider. That means the distance between this leg and this leg needs to be a little bit longer than this distance. So imagine you're drawing from the bottom corner of that rectangle. You're not going to go straight down. You're going to come out just a little bit, like this. Let's try that with our pencils. So from the bottom corner, come down to the ground. And then you can go a little line out and back up to the top to make it a long skinny rectangle about the same width as the top of your frame. Let's do the same on the other side. Make the line come out a little way, along the bottom, and all the way back up to the top. Next we're going to draw the swing seat. So imagine that there's grass in this playground. Do some little blades of grass all the way along to show where the ground level is. Then just above the ground level, about here, we're going to draw a thin lying down rectangle for the seat. Let's try that with our pencils. One long line, one short line, a long line, and a short line to join it up. And then you can attach the seat to the top frame like this. A straight line that goes all the way up, and another one on the other side. There. If you want to have more than 1 swing on your frame, just make that top bar longer and add more swings. You could have swings at different levels for different aged children. You could even draw a baby seat. To do this, draw a square instead of a rectangle. Then draw 2 arches in the bottom of your rectangle. This is where the baby's legs are going to poke out. Then you can attach the baby's seat by drawing a line from each of the top corners of that square. Now we're ready to draw the people sitting on the swings. To do this, you need to draw a standing up rectangle that fits inside those 2 swing ropes. On top of that, do 2 little lines for the neck, bleep, bleep, and a circle, 1 line that goes all the way round for a head. Then you need to draw the legs, and we're only going to see the part of the leg from the knee down to the foot. It looks a little bit like a tall archway or rainbow. The curvy part at the top is the knee. So let's start by drawing up and over the rainbow and back down and then close it at the bottom. You need to make sure that the curvy part, which is the knee, comes up higher than the swing seat. We're going to colour that leg in later, so we won't see these lines when we're finished. Let's do the other side. Up and over the rainbow, back down and close. Then for the feet, to show they're pointing at the ground, draw a semicircle like this. For the arms, we're going to start on the shoulder, just here on the corner. Draw a little line straight across to the rope and stop. Then a little way underneath, do the same thing. So you end up with a little square sticking out the side of the body, joining up to the rope. Then on the outside of the rope, we're going to continue that bottom line out and then go up to make a rectangle. And it comes up to about the height of the person's ear, just here. And on top of that rectangle, we're going to draw a little circle to show the hand holding the rope. So it comes out just a little way inside that rope line to show the fingers are wrapping around the rope. Let's try that with our pencils. One line that goes all the way around and crosses over the line. Let's try that on the other side. Two little lines that make a square, then another line that goes up to make a rectangle, and one little line that goes all the way around to make a hand. You can add a face and some hair, any style you like. Don't forget to colour in your picture and give it a background. Oh look, here comes somebody else that wants to play in the park. If you would like to learn to draw a bike or something else from a playground, go to the Sketchcan Caravan YouTube channel, where you can find drawing tutorials for these and many others. To support this project, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks.